What's up, guys? So today's gonna be kind of a quick video. I know last video was like 10 minutes long, which is like, I guess, average for YouTube nowadays. But I like compact quality videos, I guess. Like, I don't like in the video to be downtime. I don't like it. So we're gonna just get started, get like a 5-minute video in, and you guys are gonna enjoy it, and hopefully we all don't die. So first off, we're gonna start off with my little pussy here because she's just cute. Ooh. Okay, so the reason we came in here, I don't even know why we came in. Okay, so I want to update you guys. I think that I know what I'm doing for the differential of the 350Z, so we're gonna talk about that in a little bit. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, but if you know anything about these engines, especially the DE, they like to consume oil like a bitch. So I'm just refilling it a little bit. That took longer than I thought. So let's do this. The other thing I did was I finally got this tail light working. Finally got the passenger headlight working because I thought the bulb went out, but I decided let me look just in case, because those bulbs are pretty good. They don't just go out. So what turns out it was one of the wires from the HIDs. Like, I guess a clip fell out and it just unplugged itself. So I just plugged it back in, put some tape on it so it wouldn't come off, and now it's working. So we did the headlight, put oil in the car because this engine fucking swallows it, and put some water in the car because I don't know, I guess I didn't burp it correctly, the system, but I mean it works fine. Worked fine for a couple of days, and then one day it'll decide to overheat a little bit, and then I get scared and I put water in it. But that's just me. So yeah, I don't know what else I'm gonna do to this video, but I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, so I'm about to leave for work, and on the way to work I'm pretty sure I'll tell you guys about, maybe I need my keys. I'm gonna tell you guys about what I'm doing with the car. I'll just close it. Yeah, we're gonna check the dipstick oil, like how far it is, because I think I put too much, but I mean, we'll see. Alright, so plans. So I already, oh no I didn't. Okay, so what we're gonna do with this car is budget build, and I made like a whole video on this, but then I decided to scrap it because it was super boring. But yeah, so we're gonna go budget build. We're gonna get budget exhaust. Obviously I like to change my mind a lot, which kind of causes me to research more to see what the best option would be. And I kind of like that, but I kind of don't, because it takes me longer to do things. So first I was gonna do a VLSD, like from another Z, but then I researched more, and it turns out that they only lock up 30% of the time, and it's very bad when you're like mid drift. They don't like to lock up all the time, and when you try to do transitions, yeah, that sounds right. It unlocks, and that's not good. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy another open diff and weld it, or weld this one and then buy another one if I don't like to daily drive it. One of those two. And then cheap exhaust, well, not cheap, but like it's a replica, so it's not expensive. And true coilovers, but I think I'm gonna go with the Raceland because they're true coilovers in the back, so that means I can get rid of the big like cup holders for the springs. But they're cheap, so I don't think they're gonna last, but I mean, might as well test it out. Plus I'm not gonna be going to a whole lot of events because I don't have the money to, so I'm gonna be going to, like, I don't know, we'll see what happens. But yeah, those are the 3 things that I want to do. Exhaust, because it's not loud enough, so exhaust, welded diff, and new suspension, and then the bumper, and making it pretty and all. But yeah, that's the plan. So I'm gonna drive to work, I'll record a little bit, and I don't know what else I'm gonna do in this video, so stay tuned. Alright, what's up guys? So this is definitely another day. So I had said in the previous clip how I had fixed the headlight. So this is the problem, right? This connection right here doesn't have the clip like this one does. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tape it up again for the second time, and then I got like this little bracket that I'm gonna try to put somewhere so that the cables sit on top of it and don't go down and rub against the tire. So yeah, I'll show you guys when it's done because I don't know how I would record it. Alright, here is the test. See if they turn on. This was the one that usually doesn't turn on. So that's gonna be it for this video. Wow, that's a lot of wind. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for this video. I know it was kind of like not entertaining, but next weekend it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. You guys are gonna like that next video that's coming. And there's a vlog that's gonna go on next weekend. So let's just wait and see, and then after that, hopefully, drift event.